Now the question arises, why industrial revolution happened in England first? Capital. From where did England get the capital? England get the capital, huge accumulation of capital. Huge accumulation of capital. They got it from where? Trade, Vyapar. What I told, in England is the country of traders and merchants. So there is a huge accumulation of capital. बेशुमार पैसा कमाया व्यापार कर करके. Because commercial revolution happened in England. Commercial revolution happened in England in 17th century. Marine trade, because they have the best navy in the world. इससे जो पैसा आया वो सारा पैसा कहां झोंका गया? इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन. Second thing, raw material and market, because market is required to sell the finished goods. Who are providing it? The colonies. Colonies are the provider of raw material and market. Colonies act as a market for finished goods. They are the cheap supplier of market, because we see the most important industry that was developed in England was cotton textile. So cotton was a very important raw material that was being provided. Cotton. So raw material is being provided, and England had large number of colonies. They have huge colonial empire to provide the raw material. Then we have technology, because in England spirit of freedom was high. Atmosphere was free and clean. So that provided the development of technology. Technological development is also happening because of scientific revolution. Scientific revolution that is taking place in the in 16th century. ये सब पहले ही हो चुका है. Situation are set. And all this is happening because England is away from the rest of the Europe. This we understand in geographical advantage that England had. The geographical advantage that England had is what basically? Geographical advantage that England had. If you see the map, of this is the location of England, मतलब United Kingdom अंदर में England है इसके. So if you see it is away from rest of the Europe. It is an island country. So it is away from rest of the countries of Europe. यूरोप के बाकी कंट्री से अलग है. So because geographically they are having advantage of being away from rest of Europe. Because Europe, what was happening in Europe? Wars and battles, religious wars, bloodshed and violence. All this is happening. Bloodshed and violence, the fight between, the conflict between the Protestants and the Catholics, complex power struggle. ठीक है, अफरा तफरी का माहौल, लॉ एंड ऑर्डर प्रॉब्लम. All this is happening in Europe, but Europe से अलग है. हालांकि यूरोप का पार्ट है, but it is an island country. प्लस आप देखो it is surrounded by water from all the part. Throughout it is being connected by water. So obviously this will give them marine trade. They will have the best navy in the world. Best navy. सबसे ज्यादा बड़ी नेवी ब्रिटेन की. Transoceanic trade. The iron and the coal mines are close to each other. That helps in the iron and steel industries. Technology is to harness that properly. पैसा भी है ताकि उस पैसे को लगाया जा सक रहा है. बिकॉज अगर पैसा नहीं होगा तो आप क्या खर्च करेंगे. तो दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ज्योग्राफिकल advantage of Britain is very, very important in order to industrialize that nation. Transport and communication, roads, we see later railways developed. Railways are the best mode for transfer of the raw material from one place to another and the finished goods from one place to another. So railways are there, roads are there, communication is there. Okay, for coordination and control, roads are smooth, well developed. Supreme Navy, supreme naval power, supreme naval power. अब ये सारी चीजें मिल रही हैं तो क्यों नहीं होगा इंडस्ट्रियल रिवोल्यूशन. बेस्ट है, बेस्ट ज्योग्राफिकल लोकेशन है, मार्केट है आपके पास. क्योंकि आपने माल तैयार किया, आप मार्केट ही नहीं, आप बेचेंगे कहां पे, जगह ही नहीं है बेचने के लिए. यू शुड नो द मार्केट ऑल्सो, वेयर टू सेल. द कॉलोनीज आर द बेस्ट मार्केट. दैट फर्दर लीड्स टू द डिक्लाइन ऑफ कॉटेज एंड स्मॉल स्केल इंडस्ट्रीज इन द कॉलोनी, लीडिंग टू डी इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन. बेस्ट प्रोवाइडर ऑफ रॉ मटेरियल, चीप और थ्रो अवे प्राइस, सस्ते में या फिर एकदम कम दाम में या फिर फ्री में मिल रहा है माल, कच्चा माल आपको. क्योंकि आपने पॉलिटिकल कंट्रोल करके रखा हुआ है यहां पे विथ मिलिट्री माइट. ताकत की जोर पे कंट्रोल है, कैपिटल है, टेक्नोलॉजी है, साइंटिफिक रेवोल्यूशन आपके यहां हो रहा है, स्पिरिट ऑफ फ्रीडम है. Glorious revolution is happening. Glorious revolution is happening in 1688 in England. Industrial revolution is happening in the second half of 18th century. Just 100 साल के बाद, 100 साल के अंदर ये सारी चीजें डेवलप हो रही हैं. Glorious revolution is making the body like parliament, which is the representative body of the people. Monarchy is not there. मतलब monarchy is just nominal in nature. So hopes and aspirations of people are very important. Government is stable, political stability is there. ऐसा नहीं है कि गवर्नमेंट एक राजा दूसरा राजा से रिप्लेस हो जा रहा है जल्दी जल्दी. What was happening in the case of Mughal Empire? Stability is there. If the government is stable, political stability is there, they will be in a position to support. Who will provide transport and communication? An entrepreneur or a capitalist or a punjipati cannot have the power and money to get these things ready for them. No. Who will develop railway? Government. Who will develop road? Government. Who will develop transport and communication, postal system, telegraph system, all these kind of things? Government. So government support. In case of England, government are backing the capitalist. In case of problem, they will provide capital also. And England was groomed on the lines of capitalism. And because the reason is very clear, in religion, Protestant religion was very dominant. Protestantism. There is a Catholic and Protestant in the first topic that we studied. Protestants are those who went against the Roman Catholic Church and developed another faction in Christianity, which says that the God and the people, there is no mediator. So for salvation, you don't need to have a priest. And they are in the favor of interest-based economy. They are in the favor of capitalism. Capitalism develops on the interest-based economy. So they favor capitalism. So we see capitalist form of industrialization developing in England. क्यों नहीं होगा इनके यहाँ? Why not? Agriculture revolution happened for the first time. In the field of agriculture, England was 150 years ahead than France. Landed farming was done, pooling was done, Enclosure Act was passed, in which different pieces of land were enclosed together and the farming was done. क्यों नहीं होगा? You tell me one reason. Politically powerful, economically powerful, culturally powerful, geographically powerful, stable government, टेक्नोलॉजिकल डेवलपमेंट एकदम चरम पे पहुंच गया. न्यूटन और एडिसन सब कहां? इंग्लैंड के. क्यों नहीं होगा? टेक्नोलॉजिकल रेवोल्यूशन हो गया है, साइंटिफिक रेवोल्यूशन हो गया है. All these are supporting, creating a base for industrialization in England. All these are supporting and creating a base for industrialization in England. Then the spirit to become entrepreneurs. Backing of the government. आप इंडस्ट्री शुरू करिए या फैक्ट्री लगाइए, you will face many problems at the ground. There are roads are not developed. How the goods will move then? There will be stumbling blocks. जो 1 घंटा लगना है वो 5 घंटा लगेगा. रेलवे नहीं है तो the railway later on it develops. Railway cannot develop on rugged trains in the forest hilly areas. So most of the trade that was being carried out in England was through navy, naval trade. Marine trade. Supreme Navy. Best navy in the world. The development of heavy and basic industries, iron and steel, for example, that helps creating other industries. Cotton textile was the number one industries in England because cotton free में मिल रहा है इंडिया से. India was the best colony of England. इंडस्ट्रियल रिवोल्यूशन हो कैसे गया वहां पे? बिकॉज इंडिया की वजह से. वन ऑफ द रीजन वाज इंडिया. मोर ओवर, वन मोर रीजन वाज दैट population of England was increasing and there was need of high demand of basic utility products. The domestic mode of production, the handicraft or cottage industries, all these were not able to provide proper, क्या कहते हैं, these were not able to provide proper, could fulfill the demand of the small scale and basic industries. So that is why mass production was required. Moreover, labor was also becoming very expensive. So machine was required. इतना पॉपुलेशन बढ़ रहा था कि खाने पीने के लिए मतलब बहुत सारी जो रोजमर्रा की चीजें यूज इस्तेमाल करने वाली उसका डिमांड बढ़े जा रहा था. तो अब ये लोग सोच रहे थे कि कैसे इसको ठीक किया जाए. इसके रिक्वायरमेंट को फुलफिल करने के लिए मशीन का डेवलपमेंट होना शुरू. और मशीन जब डेवलप हुई तो मास प्रोडक्शन होने लग गया, विच इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एज फैक्ट्री मोड ऑफ प्रोडक्शन.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.